Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix touch ghosting in Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using A25 and you're facing touch ghosting issues on your screen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go ahead to your settings, go to display, and in display just scroll down, and here you might see there's two setting. The very first is accidental touch protection. You have to enable this, and there's a touch sensitivity. You have to also enable this. And once you have enabled, just go back. You have to keep in mind that your display or your screen is completely clean, or you can also retry to clean it with a clean or cotton cloth. Once I have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to settings here, scroll down to and go to software update, and click on check for updates to check for any pending software update, because sometimes it might be a software issue which can be easily fixed by updating your software. And once I've updated your software, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your phone. Now for that, just go back from here and press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds. So basically sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by making a forced restart. Now for this you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. Just try this. Just press and hold the volume down and the power button. The very first you might get black screen here, and once you see a black screen you will see a Samsung logo, and after Samsung logo your phone will be restarted. So here's the black screen, and now the Samsung logo. Now you just release the buttons. After seeing the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. And here, once your phone has been restarted, just swipe it to open or unlock your phone. Now you have to recheck, or you have to use your phone almost 10 to 15 minutes to check if it fixed your issue or not. So your issue might have been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issues, that's the only way. Just go to settings app here, and now once you're in settings, just scroll down, go to general management, go to here the reset option, and select reset all settings. So basically it will completely reset your phone setting. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. And once I resetted your settings, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.